Hey man, second week on the subscription base. Thanks for keeping on. Look, little coaching here, press into this. When you're breaking new ground in your life, you are changing the way you think, the way you feel, the way you see, and the way you walk. Today, I want to talk to you about incremental. Incremental. One of the practices I have in my life is to walk slow and to talk slow, and I rarely ever have to walk things back. Now, let me say it again. It's the punchline for the whole talk today. Walk slow, talk slow, and you'll rarely ever have to walk things back. You know, walking things back can be painful. It can be embarrassing, especially with your kids, your family, your close friends, your brothers that you do life with. I've heard it said that when you say words, they can't be withdrawn. They can't be pulled back. It's like driving a nail in a post and then pulling the nail out. There's still an impact or a consequence with those words. Our words tell of our actions. They tell how we think, how we really walk, how we feel. Again, walk slow, talk slow. You'll never have to walk things back except rarely. Here are the problems with doing what I just said. It's been a practice of mine for a long time, and it's helped me think about processing what I say to people. It's even helped me when I pray or when I talk to a brother who needs help, who needs a little bit of coaching or mentoring or even encouragement. Here's number one, practice the 5-second rule. Now, people get uncomfortable with this. What the 5-second rule is when somebody asks you a question, you're in conversation, wait 5 seconds before you answer. 5 seconds is a long time. It's a long pause. But it does two things for you. It helps you process what they said, and you have concepts and ideas that you want to present. The powerful thing about this 5-second rule is that if you practice it and you are in tune and listening to the Holy Spirit speak in your life, you will hear what He has to say to that person you're speaking to. This is so important with your wife and kids, or your girlfriend, your significant lady, your children. 5-second rule. Think, look, listen to what the Holy Spirit says. And also, this gives you time to move from opinion to observation. That's number two, opinion versus observation. When I'm standing in the middle of something and I'm looking at it and I'm trying to figure it out, I have lots of things coming at me, lots of pieces of information. I have what's actually happening. I have what people are saying. I have what's happening in my life, my emotions, trauma, drama, good day, bad day, ups, downs, or whatever it is. It gives that perception will affect what I say, but perspective. When I'm thinking and I'm giving my observation, I change the whole ball game, because now I'm not just looking at me, I'm looking at everybody. Number three, walk slow, talk slow. You won't have to walk things back. Number three is prepared to be frustrated. When you practice the talk slow, walk slow 5-second rule, you will constantly be interrupted. If you're like me, you don't want to be interrupted, because for me, it breaks the chain of my thought. And I'm trying to say something and process it, and I get interrupted, so I lose track. So it gets frustrating. But there's also a discipline with that. When you practice patience with people, you get more compassion, and you're able to hear better and respond better. Number four, it's okay to have nothing to say. Walk slow, talk slow, barely walking back. It's okay to have nothing to say. One of the most powerful things that we could ever say is, I don't have an answer. I don't know. It's okay. Number 5, walk slow, talk slow. Really walk it back. If you have to walk it back, it's okay. All right, man, you got the goods. Work hard this week. I'll see you soon.